Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change rig ready Rams. Now we buy a Ram. I'm here to show you this 2019 Ram 3500, so let's take a peek. Under the hood you do have your 6.7 liter diesel engine. This one has full LED headlights as well as fog lights and color match bumpers. 20-inch rims on this one, keyless entry on either side, and of course it does have power running boards, which are super fun. 6.4 box on this one. You have both your backup cameras as well as all your hitch receiver, wiring, all that good stuff. Soft drop tailgate and fifth wheel prep. Inside the truck it is fully loaded. You do have heated and cooled seats in this one, as well as a 12-inch screen with nav, Harman Kardon sound system, 360 camera, all that good stuff. Wireless charger, CD player, a whole bunch of storage all throughout these trucks. And then of course you do have a sunroof. In the back seat you're going to have a whole bunch of room for your passengers. These are heated rears. You have really nice floor mats in this truck, and then of course underneath those you have in-floor storage. And then under the seats you do have your sub and more storage on this side. So if you want to make this truck yours, give us a call 780-942-3629.